Hey guys, how do we keep it dirty off-road? And in this video, we're gonna cover how the Prism Beam LED taillights function when you install them on your truck. Now, the reason why we're doing this video is because after I got these taillights installed on my truck, we noticed that they function a little bit different because of the addition of the tailgate lights. So in this video, we're gonna cover how they actually function, whether the headlights are on and off, because you guys have asked us to really demo this so that you guys can understand how the solution works. Now, for those unfamiliar with the Prism Beam LED taillights for the Gen1 Raptor, these are a full LED taillight with the smoke lens and an addition of a tailgate light. The lights are configurable and they gave you multiple options for the turn signals and for the boot up sequence for these lights. First off, the turn signals. The turn signals can either flash red, flash yellow, or they can be a sequential yellow, the sequential's up. The daytime running lights can either be configured as all solid like you see now, or with an animation of just the tail light, or an animation of the tail light and the tailgate light. Full disclosure, this video is not sponsored, though Prism Beam did send us these lights in exchange for the install video we did previously. Make sure you go check that video out if you guys are interested in a set. We do have an affiliate link with them, so we do get a little bit of commission for any sale that we get if you use our affiliate link below and our discount code DIRTY to get 20% off. Now, after we got these lights installed on the truck and we got them fully tested, I thought we knew how they were going to function. But as we started to use the truck, we realized we were getting surprised by some of the functionality with these lights on the truck because of the tailgate lights. My son was backing the truck up. I noticed that the tailgate lights work a little bit differently. When you hit the brakes, the DRLs don't turn on, these turn on, but the planks will turn on when you hit the brakes, which is kind of odd. I was not expecting that. It almost works like the third brake light does. Another odd behavior we saw is that when you hit the turn signals, tailgate lights will flash once as part of the sequential sequence, which is also something I was not expecting. So this actually got me thinking, so we decided to film a quick video as we went through and tested all the functionality of these lights and figured out how they actually worked, and here are the results of that. First, we started with the headlights off. Okay, do me a favor, hit the brakes. Okay, the planks still turn on. Okay, put the hazards on. Hit the brakes. You got the brakes on? Okay, left turn signal. Right turn signal. Hey, the turn signal's not functioning the way I want it to. Go left turn signal. It's just on and up. That's not what I configured last night. This is also too when we realized that if you doing any kind of configuration to the boot up sequence, you want to leave your turn signal sequence to the end, because anytime you hit that button, it changes the turn signal sequence. Do me a favor, put hazards on. I'm going to configure both sides. So we hit 1, 2. That's the one I want. Or 3. See that? Gonna do the same thing over here. That's the one I want. Okay, turn them off. Turn them on again, please. Turn signal only. Right turn signal. Okay, hit the brakes. Brakes off. Turn the lights on. Okay, hit the brakes. Brakes off. The hazards. Hazards off. Keep it in reverse. There it is. Okay, put it back in the park. Now, just to be sure that everything worked the same, I also went through and changed the boot up sequence and the turn signal sequence to see if that impacted the functionality, and it didn't. They all function the same. It's just whatever you configure is the only difference. Now, these lights have been on my truck for about 2 months now and about 2 runs. We took them to Johnson Valley for King of Hammers, and then we took them again to the mid 400, both times hitting some pretty rough trails while we were out there. And they're holding up good so far. So far, this thing is holding up. It's not coming off, it's not coming loose, which that was a worry of mine, right? Because this is just glued on, it's holding up. But you know, 2 runs is enough. So we're gonna do a long-term review on these lights once we've had a chance to use them on the trails for about 6 months and had a few, you know, hard runs under them just to make sure that everything is okay and everything's still working to really see how they hold up. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and make sure you guys subscribe to us on Instagram too, because if these fall off, you best believe that's going on my social media pages. All right guys, if you guys want a set of these lights and you want to support the channel, make sure you use our affiliate link below and use our discount code 30. Depending on when you use it, Prism Beam has upped our discount code to up to 20%, so that gets you the lights even cheaper. And then it'll eventually level out to 15%. So depending on when you use the code, it'll be anywhere between 15 to 20% off. And it's a way to support the channel. Questions or comments below. Let me know what you guys think of these lights. Would you run them? Please consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.